How to check Google Form responses on mobile. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check Google Form responses on mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your any search engine and type in Google Forms and then press go. And after that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on Google Forms. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to another interface where you need to sign in with your email. So make sure you're signing in with the email that was the creator or that owns that particular form. So after that, you can just click on sign in over here. And then you can see that this is the form that I had created, and I want to check the responses for this. So once you click on that form that you have created, make sure that you have logged in with the same account that you used for creating the form, or you should be the owner of it. So then you can just click on responses over here, and you can check the responses that have been made to that particular form. So that was how you can check Google Form responses on mobile. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.